Here we go. Box of NT football for GoGiants78. Good luck, sir. Massive Giants card. Maybe the whole team will like just pop out of the box. I'm actually going to pull it if I can. We'll see. Because that is way easier. Maybe. Man, this stuff is crazy. All right. All right. Here we go. Robert Newhouse, number 299. Jason Witten, /99. Andre Johnson, /10. Ryan Fitzpatrick, jersey, number /99. Wow, this is nice. Dan Fouts. Wow. That's his laundry tag. Number 9/10. Fouts /10. Woo. You get the USA part too. Next, Colossal, DeMarcus Ware. DeMarcus Ware, Colossal, number /75. Next, rookie auto, Rhett Ellison. Rhett Ellison, number /99. Work done. Signatures, number /225. Three-color patch of Dwayne Bowe for the Chiefs, number /49. Mike Williams, Century autograph, number /20. James Lofton, franchise favorites autograph, number /49. Oh, that guy's sticking in the back, man. RG3 rookie patch auto, number /99. RG3 rookie patch auto, number /99. Go Giants. There you have it, sir.